Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
A teacher is supposed to say good morning to the children. No, children are not supposed to say good morning. They wait for the
Ma'am, I
teacher.
have said.
No, ma'am, I said good morning.
Ma'am, I have
Nobody
said the
said.
good morning.
No, I could not hear that. Chalo.
Ma'am, I said.
Achha, then it is fine. If you
Good
say.
morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, there must be a network problem, but I said.
Okay, fine, fine. Agreed. Chalo. So how are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine.
I'm good. How are you?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good, good, good. Tell me one thing. Are we over with the geography chapter 3 that we started? I want all of you to open the cameras, please. Who is this Ayush in the meeting? Ayush, what is your full name, beta?
Ma'am, Ayush Bharadwaj.
Okay. Fine. Anukriti, Rishabh, Nishchal, Kushagra, Anushka, Bhavya, Vanshika, Parth. Please open your cameras. Please open your cameras, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Good morning.
Ma'am, just a second, ma'am. 1 minute.
Yes. Anukriti, Bhavya, Rashi, Ilma, Kushagra, Ayush, Nishchal. Better keep the cameras on, please. I think there are some new admissions also in the class. Right?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
We have Aman Yadav, a new student,
I'm Aman and Ma'am Mahira.
and Mahira. Plus Manojas has rejoined us. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Who is this trying to reconnect? Not able to join? I think it is Kushagra. बेटा ये कैमरास जिनके ऑन नहीं है वो रिमूव कर देंगे हम उनको मीटिंग से. ट्राई प्लीज कीप योर कैमरास ऑन.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Mahira.
Ma'am, I'm traveling.
You
That's
are
why I can't open my camera.
okay. Fine. What
Yes,
about
ma'am.
others? Muskan, Akhilesh, Aryan, Rehan, Vanshika, Tanishka, Nishchal, Kushagra. Fine. Okay, tell me the last class that we had before holidays, what we were doing. Were we over with the chapter that we were doing, drainage? Parth? Last class only 5 people were there, 5 of the students were there. So do they know where we were? Yes, Parth?
We have done the reading part.
No, I think the chapter was over. Question answers are to be done, or anything else is left, huh?
Ma'am, we have to start exercises.
Okay, we have to start exercises. Rashi?
Yes, ma'am.
We were over with the chapter explanation and everything, and question answers we have to start with, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Those who are new to the class, especially Mahira and Aman Yadav. Aman Yadav has not yet joined. Mahira, have you covered up your syllabus?
Not yet, but I'm covering.
Okay, fine. Fine. Let Aman Yadav join and I'll ask him also about the work status. So I hope you all have the books with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I am also sharing the screen. Right? Can you see the screen, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. I want you all to open this page in the book that you have.
Okay, ma'am.
Page number 19, please open.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, open.
Open. Can you see the screen?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
What
Yes,
can you see?
ma'am.
What I am doing on the screen?
Ma'am, major rivers and lakes.
I am encircling some of the names, right?
Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
You need to mark these in your notebooks. In the map work that you will be doing, you have to mark these. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
And there are total 5.
There are many.
Okay.
I am doing that, and side by side you also keep marking them, right? I hope it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please start doing it in your book. You either you mark with pencil or whatever you are easy with. Okay.
Ma'am, marked.
Maps are important. You need to do all these maps that we are doing. I think for chapter 1 we have done 6 maps, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
See, you may get map work in the test. You may get map questions in the test. When we say map questions, you don't have to use map. You simply have to answer the questions that are asked related to the map work that you have done, right? You have Brahmaputra also. Then Mahanadi, Chilika, Koleru. I hope the screen is quite clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Kindly mark and then I'll ask you which all, in total, how many you have marked. Lakes you have to mark separately. Rivers you have to mark separately. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, this Sun R is a river or a lake?
Some are lakes. Only the lakes you have to mark on a separate map. Like Vular Lake, it is showing in Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory, right? So you need to mark Vular
Yes.
Lake on a separate map. Chilika Lake in Odisha with the Vular Lake map only. Kolar Lake in Andhra with the same. Pulkit in Tamil Nadu. Lakes you will be marking on a separate map. Rivers and the tributaries that are there like Brahmaputra, Dihang, Lohit, Kosi, Gandak, Ghagra, Son, Ganga, Yamuna, Chambal, then Betwa, Narmada, Tapi, Penganga, Godavari, Krishna, Tungabhadra, Kaveri, then Satluj, Byas, Ravi, Chenab, Jhelum, Indus. These you need to mark on a separate map as rivers, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Parth.
Sorry, ma'am, but can you again repeat that how we have to do in map?
Beta, lakes in a separate map, political map. Rivers,
Okay,
you have to do rivers also in political map, but you need to show the
okay,
tributaries and
ma'am.
everything, right?
Okay, okay.
And you need to write Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal also when you are doing this map work, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Has Aman Yadav joined us?
Yes, ma'am.
If you could please open your camera.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Aman.
Ma'am, ma'am, Man.
हाँ जी अमन, हाँ बताओ बेटा अमन.
Ma'am, there are many rivers, so ma'am, we have to use keys or just mark them.
You have to show. I am coming to that. Let everyone note down the names, and I'll tell you how exactly you need to go with it. Okay. Yes,
Okay.
Aman. Can you hear me, Aman?
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा अखिलेश एक बार अपना कैमरा ऑन करेंगे.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी. नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम सही हो गई अब आपकी जो हो रही थी. हाँ
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. चलो गुड. I hope everyone has noted down the map work. Aman.
Yes, ma'am.
Aman Yadav. Can you speak, Aman?
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Beta, I think you have some network issues. That is why you're not able to hear me. Huh? Can you hear me now?
Ma'am, your voice is clear. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, your voice is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you all noted down the rivers and what you have to mark?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
how you have to do? See, class 8 map skill you all must be having.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
In that, there is a map that shows all the rivers. There is a blank map also, but the blue lines are there for the rivers. Can anyone show it on the screen?
Ma'am, from map skill only.
Yes, from the map school. Of class 8.
Okay, ma'am.
Of class 8.
Yes, ma'am, from class 8. Just a minute.
Anju.
Ma'am, of which part? Ma'am, river.
Huh? Only there is a map which has small blue lines and a blank map is there for I think it is written for practice.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Ma'am, this one.
Are you showing it on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Just a second. Can you bring it a little closer? More? More? Yes, let me pin you. Wait a second, beta. I think after pinning you, it will be clear. हाँ. Bhavya, दिखाओ बेटा. Class, can you see this map?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. So this rivers that you have to show, rivers you will be showing on this map that you have. Get a photocopy of it, have 3 or 4 copies with you, and if one gets spoiled, another one you can use. Get a colored copy, right?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. ठीक है? चलिए, thank you बेटा, thank you so much.
Welcome, ma'am.
Okay? चलिए. I hope I am clear now with the map work.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Chaliए.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. चलिए, now coming to the next part. Oh, sorry, just a second, let me erase. One more thing. Can you see this? Do you know? Class?
Ma'am, on page number 18.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. There are several do
Yes,
you knows
ma'am.
on every page. On every page you have do you know. Like here also you have. Then find out. Do you know? All these do you know of your book, of your chapter, you need to know. You need to learn, you need to read when you are preparing for the tests, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
one will be objective or subjective.
हाँ जी.
Ma'am, UT1 will be objective or subjective.
बेटा मिक्स होगा.
Okay.
ठीक है. चलिए, shall we start with the exercises?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Can we have Manoj reading and telling the answer for the first one?
Yes, ma'am. No, 1 minute. And choose the right answer from the 4 alternative given below. Which one of the following describes a drainage patterns resembling the branches of a tree? Ma'am, actually, I have not attended the class and not read the chapter.
You have not read. Okay, fine. It is okay. But just now when we were doing it, I told you, no, where is Wooler Lake? Didn't I?
Ma'am, Jammu and Kashmir.
Yes. Very good. Very good. It is Jammu and Kashmir. Very good. Next. Can we have Bhavya reading?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
actually, I think I have a separate book.
You have a separate book. Means you don't have the same book that for class 9?
No, ma'am, your first question is my second question.
Ma'am, voice not coming.
Okay.
Ma'am, just one difference, not every.
तो ये कौन है? डांट रहा है हमें कि बता रहा है कि आवाज नहीं आ रही है? ये बता दो बस. हाँ बेटा, this is the book that I have shared. I have taken from the Google, no? तो इसमें क्या है ये तो हम नहीं जानते हैं. फर्स्ट वाला क्वेश्चन आपको पता है क्यों हटा दिया गया है बुक में से?
Why, ma'am?
Do you know why the first exercise, first part has been removed from the book? Anybody who could give this answer?
Ma'am, maybe it's a general question that everyone knows.
ना, सोच के बताओ. अभी जब हमने आपसे कहा वुलर लेक मार्क करो तो तब हमने आपको बताया भी. I said also that because it is now this, so you will be showing it in there.
Ma'am, it's separated like Jammu and Kashmir.
No, Jammu and Kashmir is not separated. Jammu and Kashmir is now a union.
No, actually, ma'am, ma'am.
It's a UT now, union
Yes, ma'am,
territory
union
now.
territory.
That is why
Ma'am, the Ladakh is there.
Ladakh and Ladakh and Jammu Kashmir both are union territories now. Jammu and Kashmir, which was single state, now it has been divided into two, and instead of state, it has been given the status of union territory. Right?
Union territory.
That is why that question has been removed. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye. Third one. Can we have Anushka telling the answer?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Anushka. This is Bhavya, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Let Anushka tell. Is she there? Can you see her? Ayush Bhardwaj.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell the answer. Read out
Which
the
one of the following?
Huh.
Which one of the following lakes in a salt is a saltwater lake?
Ma'am, second one
Ma'am,
is
A.
not done.
Ma'am, I think. Ma'am, A. Samba.
It is?
Ma'am, A. Samba.
Option A, Sambar.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Where is Sambar Lake? Where is Sambar Lake? Can you tell?
Ma'am, I can tell.
Ma'am, it is in
Yes.
Rajasthan.
Very good.
Ma'am, it is in Rajasthan.
Very good. It is in Rajasthan. Very good. Next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Can we have Akhilesh Patel reading the next exercise question for us?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Ma'am, but in book, ma'am, it has, ma'am, another. Ma'am, which question, ma'am? Which, ma'am? Sixth.
Fourth one. Fourth.
Which one?
Chautha. Beta chautha.
one.
First
Which
ka
one of
chautha,
the
yes.
following? Which one of the following is the longest river of peninsular India?
हाँ बताओ. Which one is the longest?
Ma'am, Godavari. Godavari.
Option C, Godavari is the longest river of peninsular India. Well done. Next, can we have, let me see who all are there in the class. Can we have Rehan Ali answering? Rehan, are you there, beta? Rehan? Rehan is not there. Rehan Ali, are you there? Those who are not responding, there is no point keeping them in the classroom. Rishabh? Rishabh, are you there? Rishabh, are you there? Aryan Gupta?
Yes, ma'am.
Please read out the next question.
Which one amongst the following rivers flow throughout a rift valley?
Yes, answer.
Ma'am, Mahanadi.
Which one amongst the following
Ma'am, don't know.
flow through a rift valley? Okay. Aryan, Anushka, do you know this answer?
No, ma'am.
बेटा ये पढ़ा
Ma'am,
है.
can I?
Yes. Ilma Khan, are you
Ma'am,
there? Ilma?
Ma'am, can I give the answer?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, Tapi.
Huh?
Tapi.
Tapi, very good. Tapi is the correct answer. Very good, beta. Okay, so all the exercises are over now. Next
Ma'am,
question.
can I ask a question?
Yes, beta, please ask.
Ma'am, when I was studying from YouTube, ma'am, this
Mhm.
chapter,
Hmm.
ma'am, just a short revision, not every detail.
Huh?
Ma'am, there was the same question, but they were telling it was Narmada and Damodar. Right?
No, no, Damodar is not there. It is Tapi. Tapi and Narmada.
Okay.
It is Narmada and Tapi, but not Damodar. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. Fine. Any other question, beta? We will quickly have the attendance, and if there is no response from students, they will be marked absent, right? Do we have Abhiraj in the class? No. Adnan Khan? No. Aditya Rao? No. Akhilesh Patel? Do we have Akhilesh in the class? No. Do we have Alek? No. Anushka Gupta?
present, ma'am.
Do we have Aryan Gupta?
Present, ma'am.
Do we have Aryan Patel?
Present, ma'am.
Aryan Patel is there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do we have Ayush Bharadwaj?
Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Fine. Do we have Bhavya Dikshit?
Present, ma'am.
Ilma Khan?
Present, ma'am.
Ilma is there?
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा अभी मैं इतनी देर आपको बुलाते रही, आपकी तो आवाज ही नहीं आ रही थी हमको. कुमार पार्थ?
डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई थी.
अच्छा चलो ठीक है. कुमार पार्थ?
Present, ma'am.
कुशाग्र सिंह? कुशाग्र सिंह? गौतम?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Then Agaz नहीं. मुस्कान गंगवार?
Present, ma'am.
निश्चल राज?
Present, ma'am.
Then Rashi Parmar?
Present, ma'am.
Rehan Ali? Absent. Rishabh Kumar Singh? Not in the class. Then Sanskriti Chauhan? Not in the class. Shreyansh Kumar Singh? Absent.
Yes, ma'am. Present. Ma'am,
Okay,
present.
present. Okay. Siddhant Gangwar?
I'm present.
Okay. Sumit Yadav? Absent. Tanishka? Absent. Vaibhav? Absent.
Ma'am,
Vanshika?
present.
Who is this? Tanishka.
Ma'am, Tanishka.
Okay. Vanshika Sharma?
Present, ma'am.
Fine. Then Yash Raj Raghuvanshi not there. Mahira is there. Do we have Mahira? Aman Yadav?
Yes, ma'am.
Manojas?
Present, ma'am.
Anybody left?
Ma'am, Anukriti Ved.
Okay. But your name was not there. Anukriti.
Ma'am, I have rejoined the school.
Because I think you took TC, no? Anukriti Bedi. Okay. Fine. Okay. That's all. Only these many are there. Fine. Beta, remaining of the question answers we will do in the next class. See, what you need to understand is, you need to understand that when we are doing a chapter, we need to be so thorough with it that if question answers are asked, we can give the answers. It is not that because it is it is something that is being taught in the class. You are least interested. You are not paying attention. See, when you pay attention, you are able to answer these kind of questions which are there. And when you don't pay attention, you will not be able to give even a single answer, which is I think the easiest one. Right? Right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Please, when we are doing the
Yes.
chapters, try to be little, attentive in the class. I did this chapter with the PPT, then we did the reading also. So PPT, everything was clear, highlighted points, the main points were highlighted over there, right? Okay, if I ask you that which river makes the largest basin in India, what you will tell?
Ma'am, Narmada Basin.
Hmm.
Ma'am, the
Largest-
basin you asked.
Largest
Good.
Ganga basin, beta.
Ma'am, Ganga Basin.
Ganga and
Ganga
Brahmaputra
basin.
both. Yes. Now, where do the rivers Indus and Ganga have their origin? Ganga and
Ma'am,
Indus.
Indus.
हाँ. Tell.
Ma'am, I have studied this somewhere.
हाँ. ये लेक मानसरोवर से किसका ओरिजिन होता है?
Ma'am, Tibet.
हाँ?
Ma'am, Tibet.
नहीं.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Indus.
if I'm not wrong, ma'am, can I try?
Yes.
Ma'am, I think Narmada rises from that Amarkantak.
Amarkantak.
Yes, ma'am.